So, the question I've asked is, when will Cole get married, or what age will she get married? And then I got this as a search result for the abstract art that I googled. The thing is, in this art or in this photograph, there is only one color, which is white, and then there is a color which is black, but that is very minuscule. So the majority of this photograph is a white. So I want to tell this that Cole may actually choose to stay single for a very long time, or she would marry only if she's pushed or convinced by a lot of people. You see, the color white also suggests being happy with yourself, enjoying being solo, or just wanting to be alone. So, white is a color of isolation, wanting to be by yourself. So, Cole would need lot of push to be married. And I'm also seeing a real danger that if she doesn't fall in love, she may choose to be solo for a very long time. Now there is a color black, and there is one dot on the roof or the ceiling that we see. This black dot is telling me she has, even though she may be convinced about someone, that black dot is nothing but she finds a small reason to reject people. It's like when you go shopping and then you have this a red dot or a small black dot on a clothing and you just don't buy it. Same way, Cole is looking for reasons mostly to reject people or reject men. So, as I said, she is more happier with herself, and she truly needs to be in love to be married. And she says no or rejects men very easily because there's a small black dot. If you see, she just finds a small reason to say no. She should overcome it. Yeah. Now let us look at what is possibly the age she would get married in. So I am seeing there is a design, if you see, and this design, one is forming a V shape. So there is one coming from the left, and then it forms a V shape and goes to the right. So I'm getting, let's count years here. So that is 110. The V is giving me 20, 10 and then 220. And then there is a one pillar which is going behind, which adds up to, let's say, 30, but that pillar is not as big as the V in the front that we are seeing with design. So I'm saying maybe it is less than half. So we have 10, 20, and then 30 is almost like 32, 33, or 34. So if I have to just go by a number, I would just park it at 33. So 32 to 34 is what I'm getting, because that the third pillar on the left, which is behind this V design, is just very small. It is just telling me it is 1/3 of the design we see in the front, which is forming a V. So I'm getting the range as 32 to 34, and if I have to precisely tell the year, maybe 33. Now we should look at the pillar which is on the right and is in fading and behind. This is also, since it is fading, and mostly you would land up ignoring it because it's so soft or blur in color. It's telling me it's possibly months or weeks, which is adding up. So I would give it 2 3 months, that is 2 3 months. So roughly she would get married sometime between 32 to 34 and few months, or to be very precise, at the age of about 33 and 2 or 3 months. That is the age she will get married, most likely. But she will need a lot of push. You see, there's a lot of white, and she finds it easy to reject than to accept being with someone. So she needs to little bit work on that mindset as well.